Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show and explain how actually you guys can register a private limited company also known as LTD in the UK if you are from Afghanistan. If you are from Afghanistan or if you are resident in any country of the world and you got Afghan nationality and want to verify your identity with companies house to get the personal codes or want to register a private limited company also known as LTD in the UK. So it's a very simple, short and very legal process. Okay, so let me explain this in the Pashto. Taso ko the Afghanistan nahi या तासो लाइक बाहर कम कंट्री की मुल्क की उसे गए और तासो को गाड़े जी तासो लगा रजिस्टर्ड के प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी लाइक एलटीडी कंपनी यूके के या खपल आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन तासो संग कवले शे सो दा वीडियोस तासो द पारा दा ओके सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस एंड I will make it quick. First of all, I'm going to show you the current time, मौजूदा time, that is okay, so the current time in Pakistan right now, that is 5 p.m. In the evening, Sunday, 19th of July, 2026. And let me show you the current time in Afghanistan as well. Okay, so the current time in Afghanistan, Kabul right now, that's 4:36 p.m. Sunday, 19th of July, 2026. Okay, so I'm going to show you those 4 companies which are registered recently and the directors of those companies were basically from Afghanistan. Okay, and after that, I will give you the live proof of the identity verification as well. Okay, like the person code. I will give you that actually preview that as well. So as you guys can see, this is gov.uk, also known as Companies House. This is one of the company which I registered some days ago. Afghan Corner LTD. That's registration number of this company. This is where I registered the company. The company is still like a private limited company, also known as LTD. The incorporation date, like the registration date of this company is almost 8 days ago, like last week I registered this company. Okay, like 8 days ago I registered this company. If you go to the filing history, from there you guys can see that this company has 11 pages PDF file, and these are the public documentation of this company called Afghan Corner LTD. If you go to the people section, from there you guys can see that this company has one director, Sulaiman Ahmadi. He is basically from Afghanistan. Okay, like he got Afghan nationality. Right now he's living in the UK. And I already verified the identity of this director directly with the company's house. The other company which I'm going to show you, that's a Wafadar Afghan Motors Unlimited. Okay, and that's the registration number of this company. This is where I registered the company. The company is still selected private limited company. 29th of June 2026, like last month I registered this company. If you go to the filing history, from there you guys can see almost 11 pages PDF file. We can go directly to the people section. From there you guys can see that Wafadar Muhammadullah got Afghan nationality. Right now he's living in the UK, and I already verified the identity of this director directly with the company's house. The third company which I'm going to show you, that's Afghan Takeaway LTD. That's registration number of this company. This is where I registered the company. The company is registered like a private limited company, also known as LTD, and I also verified like registered this company almost 28 days ago. Okay, 28 days ago I registered the company, 21st of June 2026. If you go to the filing history, 11 pages PDF file, you can go to the people section directly, and from there you guys can see that's Qudratullah Muhammad Khan got Afghan nationality. Right now he's living in the UK, and I already verified the identity with the company's house through ACSP. The last company which I'm going to show you, that's Ariana, okay, Afghan LTD. That's registration number of this company. This is where I registered the company, each and everything. The registration date of this company is 27th of June 2026, almost 6 months ago I registered the company, and these are the 30 pages PDF file of this company. We can here you guys can see the public documentation of this company called Ariana Afghan LTD. So if you go to the people section, from there you guys can see that this company has also one director, that's Abdul Qadir. Okay, got Afghan nationality, and I already verified the identity of the director directly with companies. So now I'm going to open my email. I'm going to show you the personal code, how actually the personal code matter works. So I'm just going to open my email and hide some of the details just to protect its privacy. Okay, so okay, so that's how actually the identity verification of company's house looks like. Once we done and complete the identity verification with company's house for any of the client or customer or director, then company's house send them this kind of email on their personal emails. Okay, so once mentioning his last name, okay, that's Ali's the last name, and also the personal code. So once the identity verification is completed and the director gets this kind of email, then actually he can register a company. Like identity verification must before registering a company. So once you got this kind of email, then you guys can register a private limited company, or if you already have a company and you need the verification, so you guys can use the same personal code. So that's how actually this whole thing works. So if you guys are also from Afghanistan, or if you are resident in any country of the world and you got Afghan nationality and want to verify your identity with companies, also want to register a private limited company, also known as LTD in the UK, so it's a very simple, short and very legal process. Just open the description of this video. From the description you guys will get my website, my email, also my contact number. So from there contact me directly, and I will also verify your identity with company's house, and you guys will get the person course under 5 to 6 hours, and we can also register your company in the UK under 1 working day. And if someone want any other kind of merchant, for example, PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, Stripe, WorldFirst, Zyla, or Air Wallets, I can create those merchant account as B2B and P2P. And if someone want to register a company in the USA like LLC, so we can also form your LLC in any state of United States under 1 week time. So if you guys are from Afghanistan and you guys need any kind of help related to LTD, related to identity verification with company's house, related to LLC, or related to a merchant account, so just open the description. From there, contact us directly. We will guide you accordingly. So thank you so much and have a nice day.